Welcome to this screencast of Code Story. We just demonstrate how we implement a new feature into the planning application. So let's just start by start the server into the planning server test class. We have just a main method, and then load the application into a browser. When a user click on login, there is no login which is displayed. And this is a problem from the user interface perspective. So we have just one cookie which stores the user ID, which comes from Twitter, but no screen name is displayed. We just implement this new feature into the application. So let's just start by loading the integration test, which use the coffee script with zombie and the headless browser. When a user click on login link, then we just assert that maybe a new container identified by screen name will have a screen name displayed into it. But which is the screen name which will be displayed, we have to see into the server context that authenticator class is bind to fake authenticator, which always return screen name Arnold. So this is the value that we have to assert into the integration test. Okay, and the second thing that we have to assert that is the cookie sent to the client side, which will be named screen name and takes the value of Arnold. Okay, so we have to implement this thing. So into the authentication section of the planning.html, which is the view, we just create a new div identified by screen name, and the value inside will be a Hogan parameter template named screen name. This parameter is just set into the application logic into a file named codestory.js. So now here we can see that we just have a first parameter which is authenticated, boolean. We have to add another value into this parameter template. So we just create a JSON object, and if user is authenticated, then a new attribute of this object will be screen name, and the value just read into the cookie, which is named username. Sorry, screen name. Good. Now we have read the value from the cookie. We have to send the cookie from the server side. So just modify the unit test to assert this first. So when a user is granted to the application, then another cookie just have to be sent to the client. So we just assert this one into this unit test. Okay, a new cookie which is named screen name cookie. Okay. So the name of the cookie, we just see that it will be screen name, and the value will be Arnold. Good. Okay, I think this test will fail. We just run this test. Okay, it just failed. So let's implement this. When authentication resource is invoked before an authentication from Twitter, then the callback is just this request. So we just send a new cookie, screen name, and the value of the cookie will be the screen name getting from the Twitter callback. If the user log out, then we just want to delete this new cookie as well. Okay, by send a cookie with a null value to the client. Okay, the test is green. Good. So let's refactor something. We can see that the timeout of the cookie is just can be extracted into a constant. It will be more readable. Okay, good. So I think it's good. We just have to reload the server. So okay, it fails. So start and stop again, stop and start again. Then we click on log in, and we can see that we have arrobas Arnold displayed into the website. So let's just modify the color of the screen name. So here we have to edit a file named style.less, which is a hierarchical CSS. So into the OS section, we have a screen name section, and the color of any text will be black. Let's just reload the page, and then after less is compiled into CSS, so the screen name is displayed in black. Okay, I think the job is done, and then let's just run the CoffeeScript test with mv19 package. Okay. So then all the unit test and integration test is just okay. So job's done. Thank you for your attention. Come to see us at Devox and prepare to fight. Go check out fight.codstory.net.